Holy River Krishna enters Bagalkot district of Karnataka state through a small village called Tamdati. The village is located at the banks of the river Krishna with a geographical structure of 16.50 latitude and 75.29 longitudes. In this beautiful village is a beautiful school which runs from LKG to 7th standard with 330 students. School is established in the year 1909 and consists of 12 strong rooms with a single floor building. Prayer starts at 9:30 and goes up to 10 o'clock. It consists of GK questions, calendar, newspaper reading, vachana, proverb, and so on. We have a wonderful, well maintained computer lab named Sudhamurthy Amma Computer Lab. There are 12 computers. Education nowadays is must with and necessary for all students. We are providing quality education and practical and theory classes for 5th, 6th and 7th students. Green and beautiful lawn is with colorful and aromatic flowers planted in the lawn which fills all a kind of happiness and peace to the igniting minds of our school. As the guidelines of government, our school with SDMC staff and midday meal helpers and cook, we are able to construct a kitchen garden by 20 by 40 by 40 in which we grow bitter gourd, tomato and all the vegetables. Teaching and learning process can be made easier and effective by using projectors. All teachers use projector when there is necessary.
Verb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, and preposition.
Nearly 750 books and 4 enrich the knowledge of our students and teachers and cultivate the habit of reading. Beautiful and attractive classrooms with whiteboard. All teaching and learning materials make the teaching and learning process more effective and fruitful. Well maintained and wonderful office room with the capacity of 20 seatings, photos of all freedom fighters and national leaders, CCTV camera, monitor are, and we are heading towards making history of maintaining digital one number register using softwares, CC softwares and so on. 24 hours power supply inverter is installed in our school to avoid uninterrupted supply of power. Our school has received many awards such as Ajim Premji Foundation's Kalika Khatri Award, Best School Award continuously for 3 years, Best Nalikali School in 2018-19 and students have reached the journal level Kho competition in 2004 and students have been selected for NMMS and Morarji Navodaya schools. To inculcate the scientific concepts to the students, teachers conduct science experiments and well-maintained, well-equipped science lab is there in our school. There are separate high-tech toilets for both boys and girls with all the facilities in it. English atmosphere has been created in our schools. The children speak in English and anchor the programs completely in
On
English.
behalf of school, HM sir, teachers and SDMC, hearty welcome sir.
Annual day celebration to exhibit the cultural and art concepts of the students. Curricular and co-curricular activities builds the personality of the students. Hence, we conduct pick and speech, quiz and pick and act competitions every Saturdays. School assembly elections will be conducted yearly to create awareness about the election procedure and knowledge, and elected members are taken oath as secretary of different portfolios. One of the black days in the history of our school is the day when the Krishna river flood hit our school and completely ruined and did not give any time to shift all the materials. All went in vain and the first floor is completely submerged and the heavy rain loss occurred in the school. But we didn't give up and arise like a phoenix bird and again put our efforts to make the school to this level.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ತಮದಡ್ಡಿ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 328 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದು LKG UKGಯನ್ನು SDMC ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ಮನೋಭಾವದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ.
HPS ತಮದಡ್ಡಿ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಿಂದ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿವರೆಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 115 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್.
ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒತ್ತಡದ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸುಲಭಗೊಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, CCE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 1500 ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತುಂಬ
ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟ ಬದಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಕೈತೋಟದ ಬದಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ
I feel proud to be a student of this school because teachers are very knowledgeable and share their knowledge in an attractive and easiest way and shapes our lives to best and good way. Our school is best all the aspects to curricular and co-curricular activities. Thank you.